Zongadiluli Nasrbek, a 42-year-old Kazakh, is pursuing his doctoral degree in history in a university in northwestern Chinese city of Xi'an. Founded about 3,100 years ago, Xi'an served as the capital for 13 dynasties in Chinese history. It was also the beginning of Zhang Qian's journey to western regions via Central Asia in the Western Han Dynasty, with his envoy which eventually led to the opening of the Silk Road. The history of the ancient Silk Road and bilateral exchanges in trade and culture between China and Kazakhstan via the Silk Road are the favorite subjects of Nasrbek's study.
我的姓名是江阿德尔努萨尔别克，来自哈萨克斯坦突厥斯坦州突厥斯坦市。我感兴趣历史，还有非常感兴趣中国古代史。我本科专业，我的硕士专业都是历史专业的。我2020年西安上博士的哈。关于哈萨克斯坦等中亚国家的史料中国史料中很多，还有历史上开始中国和哈萨克斯坦等中亚国家的历史关系也是很重要的，早就开始的。让先出是西域那时候开拓是丝绸之路我是2024年毕业大概呢。以后我回国以后，我的计划我当研究员，然后研究就是丝绸之路历史，两国之间的留学生还有两国之间的商人和那个活跃人物他们都加强中华关系起了很重要的作用。